This is an update from the road construction that is currently ongoing in Owo town. As you can see, the tarring of the road has commenced. So many persons are saying, how am I sure this project is not going to be abandoned, this and that? Well, you can see it for yourself that tarring of the dual carriage road has commenced. And of course, other developments are also coming up in Owo town. Just sit back and enjoy these updates and tell me what you think about it when you're done. Yeah, by the right side is where the agro-processing industry is going to be situated, and it is right after the governor's house. However, after this agro-processing industry, we have some estate behind the industry. The one you're seeing, the one you just saw, is Owo International Market. And right in this same Owo, there is gonna be university. I can assure you that the governor is ensuring, he's trying everything possible to ensure that after his tenure, the development in Owo town is going to be sustainable, and that is why he's bringing up some development to ensure that there is sustainability of development in this town. So if you want to invest in Owo town, fear not, is the best time. In fact, now is the best time to actually invest in this town, so that when all these developments comes up, you will be sure that you have some good return on your investment. Know very well that if you are investing somewhere, you are not investing solely for you to go and start building there. Not at all. You invest to earn good return. And Owo town is one of those places in Enugu State that when you invest, trust me, you will be happy you did. Currently, some properties there are selling at the rate of 2.5 million, some are selling at the rate of 3.5 million, some are selling at the rate of 4.5 million, and then some are selling at the rate of 5 million. So many of them has actually increased. Unlike when I told you they were selling at a pre-launch price. Currently, I do not have any land at a pre-launch price. So many of them has actually increased. So you still stand the chance to invest here, and then you will be among those that will be happy you invested in our town. Yeah, so I need to show you the work update properly. Just keep watching this video, and sure to watch to the end, and you'll be happy you did. Yeah. you that apart from the smart green school, there is also our senior modern school. That is the secondary school. Look at the construction. The construction is ongoing. Look at it here. These are things that the governor is putting in place to ensure that there is sustainable development in this town. And after this senior modern high school in Owo, there is also African Medical City. Yes, you will see the signpost here. Look at it, African Medical City. So these are the developments coming up in this town. So today is the best time to invest here, so that when all this development comes up, you will be happy. Oh, you invested early and then you start earning good return on all this investment. Yeah. Now here is one of our estates situated here in Owo town. This is Castle View Estate. So the road into the estate is opening up. Look at it, that's the road into Castle View Estate. And as you can see clearly, the area is opening up as well. So many estates around here. The ones at the front, as a matter of fact, are selling at the rate of 7 million, 8 million, and the road is being tarred already. Opposite this Castle View Estate is the university I told you is coming into Owo town. So don't you think the best time to invest in this property is now? Remember that as at 3-4 months ago, Castle View Estate was selling at the rate of 4 million naira, but today it is selling at the rate of 5 million naira. Yeah, so just call or WhatsApp me if you need further information about Owo town and its environment, or any other property in Enugu State. Call me on 0803-743-5005. Remember to subscribe to our channel so that you get updates whenever we drop our videos. See you around.